Hi students, now we are going to see the easiest portion of kinetic theory of gases, which are the postulates of the kinetic theory, which is very important question in any exam. So 10 points if you write, sometimes 5 marks also they ask, in the 5 mark question also they may ask, okay. So what are the postulates? These are some of the assumptions only. So first one is gas molecules are identical elastic spheres, okay. The molecules of different gases are different. Naturally, different gas molecules have different properties. Then the distance between the molecules is greater when you compare with the size of the molecules. Okay. Then the molecules have continuous random motion. So if any gas is filled inside a closed container, they will not be at rest. They will be moving randomly and continuously in all possible directions with all possible velocities. Then molecules collide with each other and also with the walls of the container. Naturally, due to the room temperature, they absorb heat and the molecules will be excited and they will be moving in random directions, during which they collide with each other and also with the walls of the container. Then collisions are perfectly elastic. What do you mean? There is no loss of kinetic energy. Perfectly elastic collision. Then between two successive collisions, they move along a straight line with the same velocity. There is no intermolecular force of attraction or repulsion. That means what? Their potential energy is equal to 0 and the internal energy of the gas molecule is only equal to the kinetic energy of the molecules. And the collisions are instantaneous. Suppose if one molecule is traveling for some long distance, it takes some time. Comparing to that, the time of travel, the time of collision is instantaneous, very short time, okay. And last point is these molecules obey Newton's laws of motion. Particularly, we have derived an expression for the pressure exerted by the gas, how? Equal to the force per unit area, and force is defined as the rate of change of momentum. We have applied Newton's second law of motion there. So read these 10 points compulsorily and practice. Definitely this is very important concept for the examination point of view. I hope you must have understood them fine.